guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, hey baby, hello, hi. Anyways, so today we'll be getting into this unit from Megalook hair. You guys, I installed this wig in less than an hour, almost less than 30 minutes, but I'm not even gonna flex on y'all, but less than an hour, okay? I really bodied this. And if y'all want to see how I bodied this and bippity boppity boo this, make sure you keep watching because we're gonna get into that right now. So the hair we'll be working with today is Megalook hair. It says your hair, your glory, and it comes in this adorable little box, you guys. So in the box you're given these little items or knickknacks, and so in here hopefully it'll be some stuff that'll help me like lay my wig. They give you like a hair tie down piece, y'all, as well as a hair clip like this. They give you an edge brush, and this edge brush is blue, and then of course they give you a wig cap. Okay, you guys, so here is their unit straight out of the box. This is their 13x4 transparent lace front unit that's in body wave, and it's 180 density. The length that I do have, you guys, is 22 inches. And let me just say, like, ooh, baby, she's giving me 200. She's giving me 200 density, okay? Right here. She is very much pre-plucked, y'all, and they even tried to give sis a little good hairline. So I'm gonna show you guys what she's looking like on the cap. The cap construction, of course, is regular degular, nothing too crazy. You do have all your combs in there, all 4 combs, as well as your adjustable strap in the back of the wig, and then they even have this pre-sewn on strap. You guys, this strap is sewed down to the lace, just so y'all know. So this wig construction is giving me very high quality, honestly. This is how the lace is looking against my skin. Like I said, it is transparent, so once you go in with some makeup and bleach the knot, you're gonna get a very natural look. I don't think I'll be bleaching the knots today just because, like I said, I'm trying to put this wig on in an hour. Okay, I'm trying to slay a wig in an hour, y'all, so it's gonna be extremely quick and as easy as possible. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, I promise you, you're probably gonna want to purchase it. Look how beautiful she is. Make sure you guys use my coupon code below and my link in the description box. So without any further ado, y'all, we're gonna get into this install and the styling process. The time right now is 3:01 p.m. So I have until 4:01, and 4 o'clock is actually when I'm supposed to be gone. So hopefully this goes way quicker than expected, but I'm gonna throw sis on and let's make it do what it do, okay? So before I throw her on, the first thing that I'm gonna do is go in and cut this lace off in the back, y'all. I don't put my hair up in ponytails, so I don't need it, but I do leave enough lace just in case I want to go back and make it look okay. So let's put her on now, right now. Ooh la la, do y'all see this? Maybe it's giving me super pre-plucked. Super pre-plucked. That's good, because I really didn't want to go in there and pluck much myself, and I don't think I will because I'll be doing a side part, y'all. Excited. I'm super excited. She is doing this weird thing right here. Like I said, I gotta stop lying these hair companies, bro. I am a big-headed girl, you feel me? But she is doing this weird thing over here where unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut the cap so that this lace part does come to my ears, because the hairline goes way further back than expected. Like way further back than expected. I'm going to take her off and apply some makeup to her, so let's speed that up. So of course, you guys, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy little CoverGirl and a kabuki brush, and I'm just gonna apply this all inside of the wig. So luckily, you guys, the knots on this wig are super duper small, meaning that when I am applying the makeup on this wig, so of course, y'all, I'm gonna apply the makeup on my wig cap, but I'm just gonna apply it. That's a big wasp outside. I'm just gonna apply it right here because this is where my part's gonna be. So you guys, I'm gonna come in here and cut the lace off. I'm gonna cut it off while it's on my head, okay? Ooh. The next thing I'm gonna do is figure out where my part's gonna be. I think my part will be here, like so. Oh, she's so silky. This wig is super silky, y'all. I know I haven't washed her or anything yet, but baby, she is giving me the freaking vibes. You feel It's only 3:11. Only 3:11. So now I'm gonna go in, and before I glue her down, I'm gonna style her how I would want her to look. So, you know, I'm always like over here talking, but how are y'all today? Like, comment what day it is y'all are watching this video. If it's on Monday, let me know. If it's a Tuesday, let me know. It's a Wednesday, let me know. Like, if not, just like let me know your favorite day of the week.
Check.
So now that we have the wig, the hairs here how we want them to, you guys, we can go in and install this frontal. You feel me? A lot of y'all would go in with glue, but I'm actually just gonna go in today with Got to Be glue. I've been switching up my wigs a lot, so yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually cut the wig off. Cut the lace off. Here's my handy dandy scissors and my handy dandy very ugly razor blade thing to cut the lace off. So I'm just gonna go in with some Got to Be glued, y'all, and glue her down. We're still good on timing, so okay, you guys, so we've laid all sides of the wig. Oof, flat. I don't know what that little area is doing. I'm gonna have to clean her up though. Currently, it's 3:35, y'all. So I'm gonna spray these little sides. That side like didn't really lay down. I'm just gonna spray that and push that into my hair. Yeah, just gonna press that in and tie her down. So I used what they gave me, you guys. Next is just styling. So I'm gonna speed this part up and let you guys watch, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in the end. Is it. The current time right now is 3:54, so I definitely did beat the clock with some extra time to spare, y'all, and I am loving this wig. Okay, she's giving me Victoria's Secret vibes, for real. I really like the natural part. I'm not too crazy about like scary parts. If anything, I'll go over it with makeup if I see that I don't like how it looks. I did not lay any edges or baby hairs for this hair, and I did not cut any layers in it. This is it straight out of the box with some curls in it, y'all. She got bippity boppity boo. We made it do what it do with this one, okay? You feel me? Like, look at her. Look at this. Ooh. So that is it, you guys. If you guys want an update on this wig, I definitely will be doing another video on this, so make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you guys can stay up to date when I post my next video on this wig from Megalook hair. So far so amazing, so far so beautiful, so far so mega looking, okay? I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.